Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County in northeast Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, north central Livingston County in central Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southeast of Streator and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Odell around 4:05 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.